Here's how to use OBS Virtual Camera on Discord. First, open OBS Studio and click the Start Virtual Camera button. Once the virtual camera is running, open Discord and click User Settings in the bottom left corner. From the navigation menu on the left, scroll down and select Voice and Video. Next, scroll down until you find the camera option. Open the drop-down menu next to it. You should now see OBS Virtual Camera in the list. Select it, and Discord will start using your OBS camera. If OBS Virtual Camera isn't showing up in the list, there's another step you can try to install it manually. First, open the Start menu and search for OBS Studio. Right-click the OBS Studio application and select Open File Location. In the folder that opens, right-click OBS Studio again and select Open File Location one more time. Now, click the OBS Studio folder at the top of the navigation path. Inside this folder, double-click Data, then open OBS Plugins. You should see a folder called Win-D Show. Double-click on this folder. Inside, look for a file called Virtual Cam Install. Right-click this file and select Run as Administrator. This will install the OBS Virtual Camera on your computer. Once the installation has finished, press any key on your keyboard to close the window. The final step is to completely close Discord. Make sure the application is fully shut down before continuing. After Discord has been closed, open it again. Go back to User Settings, select Voice and Video, scroll down, and now open the camera drop-down, and you should be able to select OBS Virtual Camera. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Thanks.